numbness in your feet, do the airplane test to see if you might have some nerve damage in your feet. So if you feel tingling, numbness, maybe pins and needles, put your feet together, stand in front of a chair, okay? And most likely, actually, I recommend that you have someone there to catch you in case you fall. So stand in front of the chair just in case you fall backwards, okay? And so put your feet together, put your arms out, and then close your eyes. And stay like this for 30 seconds. If you have some nerve damage in your feet, then you will start going like this. Have your friend pay attention to see if you're going like jolting or moving like this and just imbalance. That means that the message from your feet is not getting communicated to your brain. So there's a disconnect. And if you have a husband or a wife, you know if there's miscommunication, there's going to be lots of problems, right? So that's why you will be flying like an airplane. There's miscommunication. This will tell you that you might have some problems with the communication. Follow me.
Can't enjoy dancing because of your peripheral neuropathy? Here are some self-care tips for you to try. Once you are diagnosed with peripheral neuropathy, you'll always feel prickling and tingling sensations or muscle cramps in your everyday lives, making it hard for you to enjoy the things you love like dancing. So if you want to ease, try massaging affected areas to promote circulation. Avoid putting pressure on them, or try having a foot bath with chamomile or nettle leaves. How to improve your quality of life. Follow Achieve Integrative Health today.
My name is Jane Womack, and I was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and I underwent several months of rather extensive chemotherapy, which left me with neuropathy in my hands and feet. Very, very uncomfortable. I came to see Yin Acupuncture for help with my neuropathy, and now I am 98% normal after just a few weeks of treatment. It's a miracle. I'm thrilled, and I would certainly recommend it to anybody who's suffering with similar symptoms.
Unending and unbearable pins and needles because of peripheral neuropathy? Try massaging these acupressure points to ease it. Zeus Only or T36 is important for balancing and strengthening the spleen and stomach. It also calms the Shen and tones the blood and Qi. Yang Hill Spring or GB34 is beneficial in treating neuropathic pain. It is also effective in treating numbness in the lower body, knee swellings, and beriberi. Tai Bai or SP3 aids in the pain relief of chemotherapy-induced neuropathy patients. Digi or SP8 is effective in relieving neuropathic pain. It is also used to treat lower back pains and gastrointestinal pain. Chungjin or BL56 is an acupressure point for diabetic neuropathy. It is also used for treating the muscle weakness symptom of peripheral neuropathy. How to improve your quality of life. Follow Achieve Integrative Health today.
The sexy suffering part 2, because there's a reason why I'm late, actually coming back home late. And sometimes the suffering is not self-induced. It's not, sometimes it's caused by someone else or something else. Someone else is causing the suffering for you. And so you have two choices. One, you can complain about it and, just complain about what they're doing, how other people have wronged you, all the situations, blah, blah, blah. Or two, you can take control of your life, take control of your situation. It doesn't matter that someone else caused the suffering for you, but you can take control. How you respond is vitally important. How you respond determines if you're going to succeed or not. And so I anticipate this whole week I'm going to be, at the clinic till 9 p.m. So what is that? Just 13, 14, 15-hour days. And so caused by someone else. Someone else caused that. And some of my team members also stayed late to help out the clinic, to help out our team. And so, sometimes the suffering it's not caused by you, but how you respond, that is based and controlled by you. So how do you respond? I want you to comment below. What are some things that people have caused suffering, for you, but you chose not to, be the victim. You chose to take control and overcome and take control of your life and succeeded past that. So comment below. So a lot of times, sometimes, in health, we encounter certain things like misinformation. There's so much misinformation out there that it can cause us a lot of damage to our health. So someone else caused that damage for you, but what are you going to do about it? Are you going to sit at home and complain about it, or are you going to do something about it and take control about it? If you want to take control of your health, it doesn't matter who wronged you, who gave you the wrong information and damaged your health and put you where you are today in regards to your health. You can take the first step in changing that. And we can help you achieve integrative health, the #1 acupuncture and wellness clinic in Central Texas. We can help you take charge and not be a victim of someone else's, someone else causing the suffering in your health. Okay, take control of your health. How you respond. We can't control how other people behave, but we sure as hell can control how we behave and how we take control.